What up? It's the day after the wash, so we gonna do the reveal now. All right. By the way, my do-rag's all messed up because it was slipping off in my sleep, and so I just kind of half awake, just tied it back real quick. That's what we looking like. So, we still Ripple gang. Not quite waiver yet, but Ripple gang, you know what I'm saying? So this is my medium brush. I'm gonna hit it with this real quick. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna show y'all what I do after the wash now. I'm gonna use some Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I'm gonna use that as my moisturizer. And then, which is the main thing that I do after a wash, is oils. I got this right here, man. See that? I'm not gonna list off all the benefits of coconut oil right now, but coconut oil is clutch and it's light, so you don't have that thick oil buildup like right after you wash. Like I normally like to keep it light. Like I want to feel like I just washed my head, not from the wash straight to thick product. So anyway, so that's the idea. So that's why I say sometimes I don't even really put a moisturizer, because in a day or two, I'm gonna put up a daily moisturizer anyway. So, yeah. Anyway, let's get a little bit out of there. That's cool. Don't need too much. My hair's low, and I just washed anyway, so. Again, I like to go from the crown area first, so. See how that looks. I like to make sure I got full coverage. That's fair, I guess. Again. Using my crown brush. Starting with my left side. perfect. So now that I got that like that, I'm gonna finish up with my my coconut oil. About that much. I don't know if you can see it on there. Rub that in the hand like that. There's a lot, by the way. So this should be good. Alright, so at this point is where you would use some finishing spray or something like that. Like if you got, you know, a spray for shine or anything like that, you could use that. I got none of that right now, so I'm not using none of that. It's time to rag up now. Alright y'all, so that's it, man. And this is the post-wash routine. So I keep it like this for the day. Tonight before I go to sleep, I do a light breath session. maybe with the medium and the soft, or maybe just the soft brush, just to, you know, get a little bit of action in there. But that's it, man. I hope that helps. Until next time, it's your boy Tech. Peace.